Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well, guys. Today in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 fantastic Tumbler wraps that are so profitable, amazingly profitable, that you can do with recent listings really quick. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find those nuggets using Everbee so you can go away and get listing on your store and get that amazing passive income yourself. So guys, as usual, before getting on to this video, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing and all of that mad stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. And don't forget to share, guys, because we just love to share, guys. Now check this out, man. I'm on Everbee as usual. Now this is basically how I find my amazing nuggets. How to find those recent listings that are making some really good cash. Now I'm looking at Christmas specifically. Now listen, I know you're gonna say to me, yeah, but AJ, Christmas is like around the corner, it's too soon for this. Listen, I've done Christmas videos before and I always say, do your listings 4 months before the time. So Easter ones are coming up, but I just thought I'd give you a flavor of things that you could actually maybe do for next Christmas, right? I'm doing it early, real early, but no, seriously. I'm going to get Valentine's, Easter ones coming very soon. But check this out. This is Tumbler wrap specific Christmas ones that are working. Now check it out, man. Now I'm on Everbee, my go-to research tool. That's the one. Listen, you got to reverse engineer. Don't go designing thinking you know what's going to work. You got to find out what works first, then design around it. So you need something like Everbee. Link is in my description. Product analytics is what I went to. And this is how I found those amazing nuggets. So I'm going to show you 3 of the ones that I found, really cool ones. And then I'm going to show you how you yourself can find your own Tumbler wrap that is unsaturated, right? I'm going to let you do that yourself. But check it out, man. First of all, I'm going to show you the designs, right? Check this out. It's a bestseller bomb. It's in demand, yes. It's got the mug. It's got the mock-up there to show you exactly what it looks like. It looks good, man. That snow with that truck flavor, right? Shows you that it's got a straight tapered design, right? Perfect for this time. It's also selling its ideas, telling you that go to the link in my description. You got amazing other designs that you can go buy. So yeah, don't forget, even in your listings, image listings, you can sell what else you have in your store on there and also give information about it as well. Look, this is extra information about the actual wrap that you get, which is important. 300 DPI, instant PNG download, boom, 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 straight tapered. Yes. Very important information. I mean, that's your main image. Look, it's one wrap, guys, one Tumbler wrap. It's not a bundle, it's none of that. It's just one. Check it out. 3D cute Christmas truck, cozy home snow. So it's got that truck flavor, right? Really nice. Now let's see how much it's going for. It's a bestseller. It's in demand, guys. Let's see how much it's actually making and how old the listing actually is. It's a 3-month-old listing making $2,150 a month. It's an absolute beast. It's a monster. That's a monster right there, right? 181 sales in the last month. Only a 3-month-old listing. It's crazy. It's crazy. Now, look, it's on a sale right now, so you got to take that into account. So it's not actually making that as much as that because it's 75% off. But if it wasn't on a sale, that's what it would do. I mean, even on a 75% off, that's crazy. 2,150. That's madness. Look at the conversion. What I like about when I look at Everbee and I use this tool to help me look at and analyze listings is that the 12% conversion rate. Look at that 12% conversion rate in that. It's crazy. It converts. It's converting. Now, I'm guessing that the Christmas truck, the truck element is what is really, really pushing this and really giving that. Because if I was to type up Christmas truck, Tumbler wrap, I'm sure that's going to be up there quite high. Okay? That's what I'm trying to say. So let me just try it out as a cappella. I ain't even done this. I'm going to do it with you right now. So I'm going to type in Christmas truck Tumbler wrap, right? Christmas truck, Christmas truck Tumbler wrap, right? And let's just analyze this together. I like to do it together so you see what I'm talking about, man. Check it out. Okay, so Christmas truck Tumbler wrap. Okay, there you go. 1,717 results, a very decent amount of volume, and there it sits right at the top, guys. Boom, it's ready. And this is what I'm trying to say, guys. And the other thing I'll say about it as well, obviously this whole line is ads. So it's actually sitting on the top line, guys. It's on the top line. Amazing. Now, when I hover on it as well, it shows me the animated mock-up as well. And this is the key. If I was to hover on your listing, am I going to see some kind of video? Because this is what helps to sell this. Look at this. It hovers on it and it shows me, and I've done a video on this, on how to do an animated Tumblr. Do check out my playlist, guys. You got to check it out. I've done something exactly like this because videos sell. Fact. Look how much it's making, right? I'm just showing you exactly how it works, guys. So that's why it's selling, because that keyword is solid. Christmas truck is the one that is elevating it. You got to find those nuggets, guys. And I'm going to show you how you find those nuggets after these 3 different amazing wraps. Here, let's go to the second one. Check it out, man. This is a bundle. Boom. It's a gnome bundle. A gnome bundle that people are loving. Look at that. People are liking this. I mean, look at this. This is selling quite well during this period. I mean, this is slightly different because it's not really Christmas specific per se. But when you come and look at some of these different ideas, there's 100 gnomes. And look, if anybody knows anything about gnomes, the gnomes where the hat covers the eyes are the main ones that work, right? So look, you've got a bundle of different types of gnomes, man. This is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, different types of gnomes. Again, look, this one is selling during Christmas pretty well. Now, if I go on it, because people like these kind of gnomes with the covered eyes. So in the last month, with the run up to Christmas, is making 143 sales, 891 revenue. Solid. It's only been up for 1 month. So these guys have only got it up for 1 month. Look, it's got a conversion rate of almost 14%, 13.91. Solid. Absolute beast. And I'm telling you now, Tumbler wrap bundles sell, right? But obviously you got to get it right. Look at this nice little video going on as well. Yes. I like you. I like you because you're doing the right things. I like it a lot. So check it out, man. Let's do some more analysis, right? Let's do some more analysis. So this is what I'm trying to say. It's going to hit on some good keywords, right? Gnome PNG, Gnome Tumbler, Gnome Tumbler PNG, Gnome Tumbler Wrap, Winter Tumbler, Xmas Tumbler. So this is what I'm trying to say. The good ones are the ones that hit on different keywords. So even though the volume, let's say, or the keyword score, is not the best, but if you're hitting like a 20, 10, 30 on keyword scores, then you're actually getting yourself seen in different places, and Etsy is going to throw you out on different keywords. But like I said, check out Everbee so that you can actually help you find those keywords. But I'm going to show you at the end of this video, how to find a nugget, right? Real quick. It's easy. So that's my second one, making a good cash. Now, let's look at another specific Christmas one. Now, this is what I'm going to talk to you about this one, because this one is got ingredients and I'm going to explain it. Now, check it out. This is a Christmas bundle. Boom. It's a bestseller. Yes, it's in demand. 10 people bought it in the last 24 hours, right? It has a bundle of specific 100 stained glass images. The stained glass element, that ingredient there is what's doing it, right? Let me show you this. So look at this. Just using this example here, you can see that stained glass element. And they've got it in all of these designs. Look at the snowman. I'll show you the snowman. People actually look for stained glass, by the way. People search for the stained glass style. And I really like this because they've been very, very specific, very niche down into a certain type. So you get all of these, you get 100 Tumbler wraps in these stained glass style. And I like it because they're all Christmas related. So it's very specific to Christmas, very specific to a style of design, which is the stained glass. And this is what I'm saying. So anybody that is also, niching down is very important. So niche, keep saying it, niche further and even niche further down. So let's have a look at this. Let me just get the flavor of this. Let me understand this. Now look, it's actually making $1,095, right? That's how much it would make if it wasn't on a sale, but it is on a sale, so on a 75% sale. But that's good, man. For a 1 month old listing, making 73 sales, man. 73 sales is really decent. Sometimes when you niche down to something specific, this is how you make the cash, right? Look at that. It's got 275 favorites, 6,477 views, right? It's got 5 reviews because I've been out for a month and it's got 5 reviews already. So now it's getting that momentum. It's getting that quality score. It's getting pushed up by Etsy. Etsy is favoring it because it can see it's selling. Anything that Etsy sees that's selling quite quickly, it's going to start pushing it out there, testing it out because it knows it can convert. Anyway, now, this is the beauty. I'm going to show you this nugget now. How do you actually find these? Now, this is what I do. And I suggest you also try it out yourself. So I've gone to Everbee. Remember, when you actually get free access to it, you can get the Chrome extension also. And then what you do is you just literally go to something that keyword score. Right? Let me just type this in 1 second. So once you go to Everbee, you can get a Chrome extension, free access. And what you do is, like I said, I would go through, if I wanted to find some nugget in the Tumbler wrap game, I would go on the left here. Once you get Everbee, go on the left. Link is in my description. I would go left here and I would click keyword research, right? Because you want to research, this is how it works, reverse engineer. Research the keyword that is unsaturated first. So I would type in Tumbler wrap, right? Tumbler wrap. Now, if you want to get specific with Christmas, you might add Tumbler wrap Christmas, right? Possibly. You might want to do that yourself. So you might say Tumbler wrap, Christmas. And then hopefully then you can start finding more specific things. So for every holiday season, Halloween, Christmas, Easter, Valentine's, I would probably add another keyword, right? So when someone types in Tumbler wrap Christmas, there's 502 searches, just so you know, with a competition of 22,000. Keyword score of 20, right? Not the highest, but you know, it's quite low, but you want to get higher, really. So what I do is this. I start going deeper into this. So I look at a volume, let's say, of people searching of about at least 50 people. Because look, sometimes those low volume, unsaturated keywords are amazing. That's how you can actually get those sales. So I'll go on a minimum of 50 people searching a particular keyword. I would do a keyword score of at least 100, which is a very good keyword score. And then I'll see what I'll get from there, right? And then I'll start analyzing. So I'm going to keep it very generic at the minute and then see what I get. And then I'll just literally start going down. And then as I go down, you're going to see, as you go down, you'll start getting some ideas that will appear out of nothing. So I'll give you a idea. Now, 3D sublimation. Now, this is already giving me an idea that 3D is something that people search for. Although the two words are together, that's why it's got a search keyword, a high search word. So I'll still go down further. Skinny Tumbler wrap. Now, how it works is you can see how it works here. So like, for example, when someone types in, let me just go to this one second. When someone types in, let's say, Tumbler wrap 3D, Tumbler wrap PNG, like here, 3D Tumbler wrap PNG there. People wanting a 3D look of a Tumbler wrap. There's 1,232 people looking for this with a competition of 2,413. So it's got a very, very low competition. Very unsaturated, 510 keyword score. Now, I know these two words are together, so we want it to be separate, but it's already telling me, giving me the hint that if I do something in a 3D related style, then it could work quite well. So I'm going to get some ideas now. Now, look at this. 3D Tumbler wrap looks like it's something that keeps appearing. I keep seeing 3D. So I know I'm getting an idea that the 3D Tumbler wrap looks like it might be something. So I'm getting tips already as I go down. 3Ds come up again. Okay. 3Ds come up again a few times. Right. And I'm going to keep going down until I see something that working for me. Spooky Tumbler wrap. That's interesting. I'll go to Halloween. I don't want to do that because it's not the time. Inflation. Inflatable. Affirmation. Okay. Affirmation Tumbler wrap. Christmas maybe. So that could be some combination there. 3D and affirmation. Look, affirmation Tumbler wraps. These are doing well. So I could do a combination, right? The other thing I can see is that the Tumbler Christmas bundle is looking good. So what I've seen already, I've seen a few tips. 3D looking good. Affirmation looks good. And the bundles look good, right? And the bundles look good. So this is how it can help you get. Look at that affirmation Tumbler wrap. 290 people searching for it with only a competition of 52. Although it says affirmative, but still, I know affirmation is working, right? And this is what I'm saying. Look, stained glass. Remember we saw the stained glass? Remember we looked at the last one had a stained glass style tumbler wrap. 275 people typed that in with a competition of 1599, which is very low. Now, this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm saying. So I might type in now the keyword 3D tumbler. Let's see what it gives me. 3D tumbler already. Those are going to be, I want those as sort of words there, right? So this is what I'm trying to say, guys. This is how you get your hints and your tips. This is how you get those ideas, by looking down at the keyword score and seeing how much, what the volume, what the competition is with those particular keyword scores, and then basically creating a design around it. So I know now that 3D, having something in a 3D style, a bundle, and maybe a combination with affirmation in a Christmas theme could be some angle that I could do. And it's all about getting those ingredients right, guys. And then what I might do is I might start going to product analytics and seeing what the competition is in those combination keywords. And this is the beauty about Everbee, guys. It really is a science, and it's about finding those nuggets that it actually tells you what the nuggets are. It actually gives you the nuggets. The nuggets are there to find, and look, they're all there. So I've seen 3D that works with the Christmas theme, with the affirmation. And if I put those together on a tumbler wrap, I know that it's going to do well. With a bundle, oh my God, it's going to actually go through the roof. So that's what I'm trying to say. Use Everbee to help you. Link is in my description. And that's it, guys. That's how I find those nuggets, and that's how you can find those nuggets too. Check it out, try it out, and let me know how it goes. But guys, if you like the video, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I shall see you on the next video. Don't forget, I got Easter ones coming, Valentine's, all of that. Check it out.